Okay, do you want to introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Michelle. I'm a fashion blogger, a model, and a visual artist. I love color. I love history. I love everything beauty and fashion and art. It just makes me happy. I live in Amsterdam and I love it. In the beginning, it really felt weird, like I really didn't feel at home. Actually, the last couple of months, I really felt this is my home. I can decorate it, you know.
Coming up next in the apartment tour series, the story of Michelle and her Amsterdam apartment. This is a tale of transformation, creating a colorful and warm home from what was once a blank canvas. In this episode, Michelle also shares some of her struggles with decorating her first apartment. This is also the story of how Michelle managed to infuse her space with all of her passions: art, history, fashion, paintings of Black women. Episode 10 of the Apartment Tour series, Season 2, will be live on my YouTube channel at the end of this year. For more episodes, check out the description down below or the playlist linking to all the episodes of this season, the most recent one being the Paris Apartment Tour with Cozy. As a reminder, my name is Abra and I live in Paris. I created the Apartment Tour series as a way to explore cool homes and the people who create them. I started the series 2 years ago, mostly filming with my friends before I started to travel. I have now filmed apartment tours in Paris, New York City, Berlin, London, Brussels, and now Amsterdam. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you for the next episode. Bye!